Here's how I made hot pretzels, but with a twist. These hot pretzels taste exactly like pizza. So I started out with my regular hot pretzel dough. It was 2 teaspoons of yeast and 1 cup of room temperature water. Next up is 2 tablespoons of sugar. After the sugar, I added a little bit of salt. And then I added 1.5 cups of flour. And I mixed the dough up by hand a little bit just to get it going. And then I added an additional 1 cup of flour. So the total flour is 2.5 cups. And I just got the dough all mixed up. And I switched over to this mini cutting board. I cut up some sun-dried tomatoes that I had in the fridge. And this is Italian pizza seasoning. And I added some Parmesan cheese. And what I did was I just kind of smashed the dough on top of it and mixed it all in. I saved 1 pretzel to be plain for my son, and I had enough for 3 more of these pizza pretzels. So I formed them into pretzel shapes, and then I took this pan with 2 quarts of water and 1/4 cup of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and I brought it to a boil. And after the water starts boiling, you just want to place the hot pretzels in the water, and for no more than 1 minute, they should be in the water. They'll actually sink when you first put them in, and then they'll start floating. And I quickly melted some butter that I am going to put on top of the pretzels when they come out of the oven. That makes them taste exactly like your favorite pretzels that you get from the mall. And after they came out of the baking soda bath, I sprinkled a little pretzel salt on top. The oven was at 425 degrees and they baked for 20 minutes. And here is the butter from earlier that I melted so I could just brush it on the top. Guys, these were delicious. It tasted exactly like a cross between a hot pretzel and a slice of pizza. Let me know if you try this.